Hello friends, and today we're going to model another tricky little shape, and this one is on our list of trickiness, is on the second place. Let's take this, press C, and let's make it something like that. That's going to be our base shape, and I'm going to create this with the bevel like this. And this one I am going to, let me just make this thing like that, and let me just X, and let me just central point arch, boom. Basically here is our beautiful shape. Take this, do a Shift D. Yeah, now we have the beautiful profile. Do the offset, do it like this, and over here we need to cut it like that. Shift C, Alt X, move it over here, and let's do the same. Shift C, boom, Shift C, boom, and Shift C, boom. Yep, good. So we don't need this inner part. You can definitely see we have it here. Although want to move this boy here and Shift D, this one here. That's our lower part, and use it. Let's try it. Okay, let's try to extrude it. Let's do 0.5. Over here and over here, we definitely need to bevel it. Let's just bevel it like this, and let's do the same over here. And definitely over here. This should be smaller, like that. And this, guys, should be a little bit bigger. This, I think, should be smaller too. Let's try to do a arch. Should be a central point arch. I think center is going to be here, and yep, something like this should work for us. Let's just drop it over here. We can make it like this. Let's just drop this here. I need this, and I need central point arc, and here we go. It's done. Maybe there is like another way, but I know how to make it with this trick. Let's just close this profile, small little profile, and let's extrude it until here. Good, now we can merge this. QQ, boom. Do it like that over here, yeah. Good, I need to... Can I take this and move it over here? F, rebuild. A bit more of them, good. One problem here. I messed something up. Yeah. Okay, let's move it a little bit up. And let's drop it down until here. And let's just reposition these two bastards over here. Yeah, to the top. Yeah, good. And this one to the top too. And kind of like this. Boom. And this. Like this. Let's do it like this. Let's take this one, Shift C, boom, boom. Okay, let's delete this. Let's take this thing, move it here, and this, move it here too. and move this one lower. Let's join it. Good. And let's extrude it until here. F, thicken 1.5 minus 1.5. F, thicken minus 1.5. QQ, merge it. Take this and just move it here. Good, now we're talking. And let's just QQ. Redundant topology. Let's just take the circle and draw the circle here. Okay, so Shift I, drop it here, boom. Let's do it from the other side too. Shift I, select, boom. Okay, and now Shift X, select the circle, Shift J, Shift J. Let's do a QQ and let's Alt X to the side. We can just make this line here. Yep, something like this. Shift I and definitely. And now we can okay. X can take this, do a Control R, drop this here, select this, Control R, drop this here, and another one, Control R, Alt X, like this, Q. Let's just take this part, like Shift X, just take the lower one, let's delete it too, and let's take this, do a Shift D, good, H, select this one again, Shift X, Alt H, RV, put it here, and let's just do it like this. A little thing there. F, thicken 1.5 with the minus. Okay, let me select this. Shift X, join them like this. Okay, let's do the loft. It's not a big deal here. G1, yeah, let's do it. G1. Let's just join this. Let's select this small portion here and do a Shift J. Everything is a G0, and let's Alt exit from this side to this side, and yeah, we have it. Now let's select this and just do something like this. Good. Let's add some bevels. F, redundant topology, just delete it. Bevels. Can we have the bevels? Yeah, we can. Like this. Then we can add one from the other side. Like this. A little bit more. This thing first. Something like that. Conic G2. I think G2 will work perfect here. Let's drop this thing over here and the same over here. F, redundant topology. Yeah, you know, actually I like this hard edge there. Like soft one here and much hard there. Looks interesting to me. Have this clip. Yeah, I love it. Okay. So can I see it in the render? Yeah, pretty cool. Wow, nice. Here's your tricky shape. I hope you modeled it and you have it, and yours looks better, definitely. And have a nice day, stay cool, and I see you in the next one. Bye.